Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Mazda MX-5 versus Porsche. We'll dive into their core philosophies, examining what makes each roadster a unique driving proposition for enthusiasts. We'll explore how Mazda prioritizes a pure, lightweight feel, while Porsche focuses on refined power and advanced engineering. Understanding these differences will help you decide which sports car best suits your driving style and expectations. When it comes to performance, the Mazda MX-5 delivers a spirited experience with its 181 horsepower, 2.0-liter engine, often paired with a fantastic 6-speed manual gearbox. It's all about the connection to the road. Porsche's 718 Boxster and Cayman, however, start with a 300-horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter flat-4, escalating to a powerful 4.0-liter flat-6 with nearly 500 horsepower in top trims. Both offer exceptional handling, but Porsche brings more outright speed and advanced chassis technology to the table. Considering value, the Mazda MX-5 is a clear winner for affordability, with starting prices around $30,000. It offers a pure sports car experience without breaking the bank. Porsche's 718 models, like the Boxster and Cayman, start closer to $75,000, placing them in a more premium segment. While both are two-seaters, the MX-5 has a smaller trunk and less interior storage. Mazda also includes more standard safety tech, such as blind spot monitoring, which can be optional on some Porsche models. So which car is for you? If you prioritize an accessible, lightweight, and incredibly engaging driving experience, the Mazda MX-5 is an outstanding choice. It's a pure driver's car that delivers smiles per mile. If you're seeking higher performance, more luxurious features, and a track-ready machine with a prestigious badge, a Porsche 718 Boxster or Cayman will likely be your ideal match. Both are fantastic, but they offer distinct flavors of sports car fun. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.